Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you something cool, chord track in Ableton. It's not really existing, but I found a workaround. I want to show you how I'm doing it. First thing, we have to map set. We're going to key, we set a letter K. Then the first step of creating your chord track, which really helpful, record your bass or guitar or whatever. You play, when the chord shifting, you press K, and later we adjust it. So now I'm starting to name them. Control R to rename. I choose Control R to rename, and then it's easy. It's moving them to the place. That's my tip for today. Have a great musical creation. Enjoy and see you next time.